morning. So today is November 8 and I am out to meet my high school besties minus Chriselle kasi midterms niya ngayon. So we're going on an overnight trip in Cavite. So I'm gonna pick up Rachel first and Marie. So they're waiting for me sa my Cloverleaf, and then yeah, after that we'll go straight na to Cavite to pick up Mika, Maika, kung ano man gusto niyang pronunciation ng kanyang name. Either way. So yun. Yeah, and then punta na kami dun sa Airbnb that we booked. So it's going to be an exciting day for us. It's been a long time since we did this kind of thing. So ayun. See you guys. Diba? 40? Most likely, mga ganun. Hello! We just arrived here at Elias Golf. May pool. Wait lang, asa na sila? Ayan o. Sa tao. Wait, let's go for a quick tour. Ayan. Ito na. Wow, that's so pretty. Hello. Hi. Hi. And then there's me. Cool. What are you making?
Pancakes.
Look, may paguno ng ulo.
Napaka-arte. Hi! Look at the show. Hi! Akala ko. Ayan pala. Ayan na, Marie. Ulit, dali. 1, 2, 3. Look at the chef. Hi! Anong niluluto mo?
Diba? Bigas lang pala.
Ayan na, Marie. Okay. Ay, teka. Si Liza. Ay, sobra. Eric, para sa'yo daw yung look yan. Ayun lang. Okay. Kailan mo daw ng ano?
Malay niya maging-trabaho niya yun. Wife diaries.
Ano to? Testament.
Itong buhay na to.
Proof of ano?
Yan to?
Success customer.
Success ka. Ayan, good morning! Good morning! So, it's Saturday and nakatapos lang namin magluto ng breakfast. So, nagluto kami ng bibimbap and then, ayun, I'll put a video after this. Syempre! Ganda ng view here. It's very quiet lang. Yan. So, di na ako nakapag-video masyado. Kasi, diba, we rarely meet up. Kaya, we just kinda enjoyed it. But, I'm gonna try to share more. Pero basically, kanina, diba, we went to Mori Cafe. And then, after that, punta lang kami sa Cecilia's for pasalubong. And then, we went to Hacienda. So, we did a bit of shopping. Tapos, ayun, umuwi na kami. It's a long day. And, I'm really tired. I just want to sleep. It was just a very fun trip. It's a short trip, pero it's super fun. And I hope next time complete na talaga kami. Kasi si Chriselle, mayroon siyang exams. So, ayun, hindi siya nakasama sa amin. But, hopefully next time, we get to be complete. And, yeah, that's it for this vlog, I think. It is. That is. That's it for this vlog. And, yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.